Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fights, oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket treadless, the bomb busting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land under the fray, and the home of the brave?
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Morning Coffee on the Country Club. I'm Walter, and you're watching Country 3D. Woohoo! Hey, today we're going to talk about the Slic3r Prusa edition. I want to add up some other. I want to try to do some other profiles for like the little monster and my Hypercube and my other i3, and we'll start with the little monster because I've been using it a lot. The Hypercube I've been using a lot, but I'm having some problems with the fine details, and I can show you what I mean here shortly. But first, let's take care of business here. Robert Reynolds, Scalda YT, HVAC A to C, Z. I ain't awake yet. Alan Moritz, One Raz, Christopher Zewicki, Motorhead Mitch, Playdesk is in the house too. Sean Gould, how are you, buddy? Welcome. Good morning, everybody. I know it's early for most of us here in the US of A, especially those in, time zones west of me. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are awake and ready to go. Let's start this off by saying, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not, leave us a comment below, then let me know what the hell is wrong and we'll take care of it or tell you to F off. One of the two. I don't know. Anyway, yesterday, yeah, the only one running right now is the Prusa and the LCD over there. The DLP's running too, or LCD. I think that's an LCD. I don't even think that's DLP. It ain't big enough to be DLP. But the little monster's not running, and my Hypercube isn't running. And the reason being, and I'll show you, because I've been working on this. I've been working on this damn Stargate, right? So, all right, here's one off of there, and then here's one off of the little monster, which this is not bad, but I'll show you off the little monster. Yeah. Yesterday, I started having issues with the little monster where it didn't want to print. So I ended up changing the nozzle, and that worked okay. But this, let me turn this on tabletop. So I have it zoomed in. I don't know if you can see it or not. But if you look right here, see how thin that is? just the thin walls and stuff just weren't working. And this was on my Hypercube. Everything else, a little bit of stringing, but everything else worked fine. And then in here, this is off the TiVo Little Monster. And this, again, it's one of those things where it's really thin and there's not a whole lot of layers. These are fine, but there's some different ones. There's some different ones, and they have some detail in them that have to be filled in, and with it being so thin, it's having a hard time. It's not under extrusion. No, it's not. That's the thing. I did an extrusion calibration, all that stuff, and no, it all works great. And on the other parts that I printed, they were perfect, but it's like it's going too fast for the small parts. So I want to try to get Slic3r working for all of them. I'm tired of going to this slicer and this slicer. Slic3r, I want it to be my base slicer from now on, if that makes sense, and it should make sense. So, what's up, Brian Jorgensen and 3DP Ice Martin come in the house. And I also want to show y'all, I started yesterday, and I haven't gotten them all up there. I'm going to turn the tabletop and really screw up all my settings. I'm going to turn this right here and turn on the tabletop. I started putting stickers on the wall yesterday. A lot of these I got at Earth. Some of them come in the mail. I've got some more. I've got a box over there at the house that I got at Murph last year, but I don't remember. So anyway, started putting stickers on the wall too. Just thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, and that's what I want to do, Scalda. No need to slow down under. I get you. But that's what I want to work on, and there's some other things I want to show too. Some work I've been doing on the Stargate. I will tell y'all, I'm going to try to get this done for Murph. There's a lot of crap to do, and I'm still waiting on a bunch of stuff. There was some things that I ordered off of eBay that I didn't know, but they're coming from Australia. So I did order some things, and it's like 4 different items. But it was really the only place I could find them. Can I tell you what a hillbilly is so I know? Go watch the movie Sergeant York. Those were old hillbillies. Hillbillies really not a thing anymore. I mean, I'm sure in some of the mountains there really are some people that live away, and they're in Alaska for sure. There's people that live away from each other and don't talk to people. But if you want to know what a true hillbilly was, you need to go watch the movie Sergeant York. It was a fantastic movie. What's up, Mike Whaley? And not only was it a fantastic movie, it was based on a true story. No, that's stupid ass rednecks. Christopher Zwicky. That is not indicative of anything I've ever known. Really, I mean, really, that movie defies belief. Yes, and I'm glad that Scalda said something about this printing over here, because it's actually working on something it's working on a project, and it's pretty much going to be the only printer that I use for that project. So, woohoo! All right. So let me open up Slic3r. And I downloaded a TiVo Little Monster INI file for Slic3r, because I really didn't want to start from scratch. I was pretty sure somebody had already done this, and of course they had. So I'm going to move this over. Come on. I'm going to move this over here. And I'm going to, not you. I want the, why did it not save my printer? It's got the print settings, but it didn't save my printer. So do I have to load this again? I have to save this on each one of them? No, I actually run down to the store and fill it up. Oh, I don't know, Scholar. That might be what it is. I hear you, Brian. I hear you. All right, so wait. Here, y'all help me out because I'm not very good with. I've not really used Slic3r at all. What version is this? This is not the latest. It's one before. I upgraded it when I did the firmware upgrade on here. This is 1.41.2. Is this not the latest? Do I need to upgrade? Let me see. Isn't there a way you can check right here, right? No? I could have sworn you could check. No. No. No, no. Configuration wizard? There is a configuration wizard. Select none. Custom setup. And it is rep, right? Yep. Next. Alright, this is not rectangular. Let's just do it from the get-go then. Well, let's do this first. It's circular, 340 millimeters. 340. Is that right? I found my tape measure and don't know where the hell I put it. But I found it. Let me measure this. Because I could have swore it's 340, but you can't print 340. That's the problem. Shit. Where did I put that? It's right there. Okay. I found my tape measure with the millimetrics on it. This is 345 millimeters across the bed, but do I really want 345? What's up, Carl Schumann? Do I need, let's just do 320. That leaves me 20. Is that right? That'll do. Next. Nozzle diameter is 0.4. Filament diameter is 1.75. Next. Extrusion temperature. I want a base temperature. We want to say 220. And a bed temperature of 55. Now let's make it 60. Do 340? Okay. It's actually 345. You want me to put, no, it's 340. All right, so next. Application update built-in presets automatically, and finish. All right, but my max print height on my printer is 505. It's actually 510. The offset's none. Single material, yep. Host type, duet. That's freaking cool. Did not know you could do that. Host name. Duet.local. I got you. Damn, this is slow. What does this do? It ain't processing anything else but video. I don't have an API key or password. It's just that. Let's test it and see. Sweet. Supports remaining times. Yes, it does. Relative e-distances. I don't know. Should I open up? I should open up Simplify and check it and go. Go to edit process setting. Go to advanced. Force retraction, minimum, blah, blah, blah. Other. G-code. Relative extrusion distance. So yeah, on that. Use relative extrusion distances. Okay. I don't know what volumetric E is. I need both of them open. I ain't hearing much help here. Firmware retraction. No, we'll use whatever we put in here. Volumetric E. Good morning, Joe Paddock. How are you, buddy? All right. So what's next? All right, we're good there. Let's save this. I need my custom G code. That's one thing I do need. I do want out of here. What's up, Kathy O'Malley? How are you? Good Lord, it's almost like 10 o'clock at night there. Let's go to my scripts. Let's get my start script, which is right here. Paste that in there. And then go to my ending script. Copy this. Paste that in there. Extruder 1. 0.4, minimum's 0.07. I'm not worried about max. Lift Z. We want the retraction to be 4.6. Lift, I want 0.2. Detraction speed. Deretraction. Retraction speed. And we'll leave that. That's close enough. Deretraction speed, I don't care. Extra length on restart is -0.2. I do remember that. Minimum travel after retractions, 2 millimeters, that's fine. Retract on layer change. White while retracting. %. All right, hold on. I don't know what half of these settings are, but y'all supposed to be helping and y'all not helping. Actually, I can't see the thing, so. Sweet. In bed, it's 11:15. Am I making anything today, Britt Hogs? No, but I do want to show off the I can't get to it right now, but I do have some DLP stuff that I'm going to show off here in a minute. Actually, I mean, if you follow me on Twitter, you saw the little windows here. But I wanted to walk through Slic3r from the beginning because this is not something you do all the time. So everything should be set now for basic setup, right? So we want to save this and we want to call this. I already got this. Nope, I don't. Kuntry Klub. Then we'll hit OK. So now that it's saved it should be there whenever I open up. I should have filament settings. I've got nothing. No filament settings whatsoever. Print settings. All right, Kuntry Klub. That's the 1.6 blah blah blah. The infill that I want, all that stuff. So I did all that out of the other one. But if I go to the platter now, and I zoom out, what should we slice something? Let's go to filament settings. All right, it's 1.75 extrusion multiplier. That's fine. Density, I don't know nothing about all that crap. Cooling. Let's see, minimum, maximum, bridges, fan speeds, fine. Disable for the first 3 layers. Maximum I want at 40%. Yo, what's up, Minnesota Maker? What's up, Camille? How are you? Probably come in on the most boring live one. Alright, so that sets up the cooling because you don't want to, the minimum you want at 25, maximum at 40. Enable fan if layer print time is below. Okay. Alright. There's that. Where's the filament? Do I got my temperatures 220 and 60? Other layers I want. Let's drop that down to 215. Alright. I don't care about none of that. Filament types PLA, no soluble. Alright. Unloading speed, delay after blah blah blah. I don't need any custom G code for that. Alright, so let's save this one. And we're going to call this KF Standard PLA. Hit OK. And let's go to the platter here. Alright, so I've got my print settings, which is what I want. So now let's import a model and let's see how we do. Let's add somewhere on this download. I've got a test. Let me look here. T-E-S-T. Stringing test. That one right there. That's what I want to do right there. So I'm going to slice now. I want to see how good this works. Because it's sliced already. Now I want to send it to printer. Exporting. Didn't know you could do that from here, which that's awesome. And see this little checkbox right here? Start printing after upload. Hit OK. Sending G-code file to Duet. Bam. The bed is set on 60 back here. So this thing's fixing to friggin' start. How friggin' cool is that? That's friggin' awesome right there. I mean, that is just friggin' fantastic. What's up? Hawks in the house. Alright, but that is just cool, man. I'm sorry, but that's just friggin' cool to me. Alright, so there we go. We have set up the profile and everything for the TiVo Little Monster. We're going to try it out. I'm going to see how the stringing test goes. Then we'll do it again. It didn't hurt my stream for me to slice it, so we're going to slice it until it's good. I know, right, Carl? Mine too, buddy. That was easier and more painless than I figured it would be. We're only 30 minutes into the show, and I've already finished like most of what I figured the show was going to be about. Well, damn. Now I've got to do one for the Hypercube Evo, which is awesome. Which should be, I mean, here, let me close this. Let's go ahead and set that up while I'm at it. How you don't want to do it? Me? No, I ain't had no haircut. I woke up this morning, all that shit fell out. What's up, Christopher Calhoun? There is a newer version of Slic3r. I know, Camille. I know. I was told about that a little earlier, but thank you for telling me again. I haven't updated it yet because the MMU2 is coming out, the MMU2S, and that changes again. So after it stopped connecting, try the new versions, man. I don't know. All right, so let me open it back up. Let's do it again. How did we get there? All right, so we're going to say File. No. We're going to say Printer. print setting. No, where the hell did I go? Go to platter. Wasn't there somewhere I went? Where the heck did I go to set a new printer? Configuration. There we go. Configuration wizard. That was it. Gotta remember these things. What's up? Never let the machine win. Hey, your sticker went on my wall last night, old man. Patiently watching. All right, so we're going to select none. And we're going to go to custom setup. It is a rep wrap sprinter again. It is 300 by 300. We're going to go next. Nozzle diameter is 0.4 again. 1.75. Extrusion temperature, we're going to start off with 220. I'll do 225 and 60. Next. Wait, where did it didn't ask me? It asked me about the firmware. Oh, that's right. You got to go into the configuration when you're done. Finish. It takes you in here. What is that? Oh, there we go. All right, so now if I go to printer settings, and we're going to set this to duet again. What's up, Mike? But yeah, I did get your sticker on the wall. I showed it off earlier. So this is the HTTP :// KUNTRY KUBE.local. Oh, see, that's got a brim on it, so I'm going to have to fix that. What's up, Don? Let's go in here and let's check out what my settings were on my... Right? I did show it off, though. So let's go to Edit Process Settings. Let's go to Kuntry Klub. No. Let's go to my scripts here, my starting script. We're going to Control-C this. Custom G-code, start script. V. That gives me my stripe at the front and helps me out with that. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Alright, so let's go back up here, General. Z offset none. Maximum print height is 300. Actually, I'm going to set it at 285 because the or 250 because I have no. It's hold on. Let me check. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at 300 because it's actually like 350, but not quite 350, but I'm going to leave it at 300. All right. Do that. Did I test it? Let's test it again. If I did, I did. If I didn't, then fine. Connection to do that works correctly. All right, cool beans. All right, so there we go with that. Extruder 1.4. Okay, all that's good. Retraction length. Oh, what the heck is my retraction length on here? It's pretty good. 3.8. I'm going to go with 4. 4 because we had a little bit of stringing on the model that I did yesterday. Something I printed. Extra length on restart. I guess I need to leave these settings open so I can see them. We're going to do a negative 0.2 on that again. Negative 0.2. Vertical lift, I've got 3 on here. Retraction lift Z, we're going to do 3 again. This is pretty good. 2 millimeters on there is fine. Wipe while retracting. Let's say 50%. Alright, so now we're going to save this. And we're going to call this Kuntry Klub. Alright. So now, let's go to the platter. Alright, so it shows that. Let's go to the print settings. Fill density, 20% is fine. Fill pattern, I do not want stars. I want it as, what do we want it as? What's up, Matt1, 3D Printing Llama? Michael Cassell? How are you? Oh, Sean come in too. What's up, Sean? Vince? Damn, I'm falling behind. Chris Gulata? Good morning. So, let's use rectilinear. I don't mind rectilinear, it's fine. Top to bottom fill pattern, that's fine. Combine infill every 1 layers. Solid infill, nope. Fill angle, blah, blah, blah. Bridging, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Skirt and brim. Distance from object, 6 millimeters. Skirt height, minimal fill extrusion. 0 millimeters on the brim. Okay. Speed. We can put this at 100 millimeters a second. Advanced. Auto, that's fine. Perimeter, blah, blah, blah. Those are all default. That's all good. Good, 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 good. Let's save this. Wait, skirt and brim. What do I got here? Loops 1, distance from object 6 millimeters, skirt height 1. That's all good. That gives me a good start on there. Let's call this Kuntry Klub. Default. Hit OK. Now let's go to the filament settings. Filament 1.75, multiplier, density, blah, blah, blah. 225, we're going to do 215. On the downside, cooling. 35 and 100 sounds good. Advanced. I don't need any of that. We're going to save that. And now we got Sean on there. What's up, Sean? Got a skewed view and Sean Jarbos on here. Woohoo! Hit OK. Alright, so now everything should be set and ready. Kuntry Klub default, Kuntry Klub, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so let's add this model back. Let's search for test again. Oh, I ain't even been showing y'all. Damn, I've been sitting here doing it and not showing y'all. Why didn't y'all say something? Dang it. Use the same stringing test. I'm going to remove that. There we go. Arrange. Oh, okay. I didn't even know I had it on there. Slice now. Alright, so it's sliced. Send to printer. I'm just going to call it that. Start printing after upload. Hit OK. You were using your imagination? Shut up, Scalda. Sean's not listening. He didn't hear me. Why are you logged in as a skewed view and as Sean? Let's see. We got 60 degrees on the bed over here. Woohoo! This thing is working. That's what I'm talking about. Now, let's go back over to the other screen. I'm going to close these down. Because this one's still printing stringing test, I think. Yep. It is. It's still printing. I've got the print speed set really, really slow. No, it's fine. Show them I didn't care, man. I was just wondering. But the print speed on this is really, really, really slow. So I'm going to fix that. I did set this one to 100, so it's going to stay that way. Let me go over here. I want to, well, let's show y'all. Let me show y'all what I got. Where the heck did I put it? Right there. And y'all have seen this before. But I'm going to show you again because, you know, I'm just like that. Y'all saw these, right? I got all these. I got a bunch of these. A whole bunch of these. Let me, hold on, there's some more. Wait, there's some more. Wait, there's more. Ain't no more. That's it. That is it. Those are inks for resin. Okay. Yes, that's what that is. All right, so I bought these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors, and I think they were $7. Something like that. $6, $7. Yesterday, I decided to use this one. This one right here. Let me turn that around. Can y'all see the color on that? I don't know if you can or not. It's kind of out of focus. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. What's up? James is in the house. Can you see the color on that? All right. And let me see if I can tilt this in. You can't really see in the light. Anyway, it is straight up purple. And I'm talking straight up purple. Okay? When I dropped it into the transparent, the clear dye yesterday, the clear resin yesterday, I dropped it in there. Purple went everywhere, and it was like, oh, glorious purple, right? So then I grabbed my spatula real quick. I'm just going to stir it up. No. It turned to a rust colored, and I'm talking looked like an old 56 Chevy that had the paint taken off and just stuck in a field, rust colored resin in the vat. Just rust colored. Okay? So I was disappointed. I was so upset. I was like, I have ruined this whole vat. Well, it's not even a whole vat. It was like half a vat of resin. Okay? I was upset. I was mad. I mean, it just pissed me off. And I was like, what the hell happened? So I said, the heck with it. And I printed anyway. Decided to print it. Let's go. Let's see what we got. So let me get what we got. I will show you what we got. It ain't quite dry yet. It's in front of the UV. It's drying. Let's turn on the tabletop right here. And that is what we got. I mean, you can see the size of this. There's my hands together. It's not very big. But that is the color that came out to be. And it's really weird because you see the layers here, and on camera they're looking that orangish rust colored. That orangish rust color. This thing is pink. Okay, this color that you see right there, that's what color this entire thing is. I mean, the light refracts in different ways on different parts of it. But this thing is pink, and I'm talking a pretty pink. It is a pretty, pretty pink. And see, the light is weird on it because it is not copper colored at all. It is all pink. And the detail turned out fantastic. This is the best. Well, I say the best. I'm learning how to slice these models and how they're supposed to work. So, no, not fleshlight. I'm talking, dare I say, girly pink. This is girly pink. Okay? Hate to say it that way, but it is pink pink. Very, very pink. Not flesh toned, not anything, just pink. Alright, let me put it back in front of the UV light up here. Oh, and you know what else I did? I have something else set for y'all. Hold on. Make sure my britches is pulled up. Because I did something else here. Check this out. There's the kitchen area. You can see the SLA over there. And then right up here, I got my little cabinet with my UV light in there. I set up the camera so you can at least see the kitchen. Well, and that's what I don't know. I got resin ink. But what I may have to do is get like some plastic cups and do like little bits of it at a time and try it that way, because I did this in the vat. Now I ordered 10 plastic bottles. Looks like a popcorn, I know, right? But I ordered 10 brown plastic bottles that will, they're UV, they're impermeable, light impermeable. So they won't show the light, or they won't mess up my resin. All right, here, let's talk about resin prints for a minute. Let's go on the tabletop here. Get this out of the way. And I know my lighting sucks in here. I don't have any better way to do it. Y'all check these out. You see that? Alright, that's cool and all. But inside are those little inserts, if I turn it over. Those little inserts that you saw on Twitter yesterday for the Stargate. So my chevrons have clear windows in them. Not only that, these I didn't show yesterday. Where'd they go? There they are. They're all in the corner over here. I did not show yesterday are these. These are the chevron, and they go in the top of the chevrons so that when the light kicks on, the light comes out instead of being covered. It's just really freaking cool. Don't be whipping out your chevron on screen. So, yesterday I was having issues with the TiVo Little Monster. I jumped on the Mike Whaley stream for a little bit, and we played with it, or I did, and cussed and fussed. And if you want to watch it, go watch Mike Whaley stream. You'll see me cussing, because I dropped the F-bomb a couple times. Sorry about that, Mike, by the way. Looks like a maple tree seed. I guess. I don't know. We don't have many maple trees around here. Alright, so this one's printing too. It looks like I need to level that bed because it's looking like crap. And I mean like C-wrap. This one's looking alright over here. Not stringing wise. So we're going to redo it again and try to fix the stringing. Hey, Bryce Schwartzwelder, I tried to send you an email, and I thought I had your email, but I don't. Can you shoot me an email? It's country3d@gmail.com, and I'll email you back. Call that reality streaming. That's exactly right. That's what that was. I did not respect Mike's stream. I apologize. But yeah, I dropped an F-bomb or two. Alright. I don't know. This thing's working. This one's working. This one on the TiVo's stringing quite a bit. So we're going to have to do something with retraction and cooling on there. How's my MRF prep? I'm not prepping for MRF, man. I mean, if I get the Stargate done, I get it done. If I don't, I don't. I'm taking 2 printed printers. I am doing that. What's up, Red Light? Okay, Bryce. But no, I'm not in any, I don't really have any projects going on that I want to, that I'm just ready to show off at MRF or anything of that nature. So how's yours going? That should be the question. You at work? We always at work. You working, sucker? I'm gonna walk over here for a second. I want to turn this 600 hours of printing. I know you do. I know you got a lot. I know you have a lot. I want to turn this over so to point down on the models instead. Oh, that's why I had it turned the other way. Damn it. I need some way to hang this sucker. That's what I need. I need it hung up here so that it's down like so. I don't know, about like that. So I need something screwed in the ceiling so that that's up there like so. Why don't we do that? I gotta, oh damn, that's bright. I got a, yeah, let's do that. Cause see, it's going up. It's really not getting everything. I got a screw right there. Well, that's crap. Where'd my drill go? Y'all done stole all my crap? It ain't in there. On the floor. Open the door, get on the floor. Everybody walk their dinosaur. Hold on just a minute. Where'd all my drill bits go? Almost at 1 million subscribers. Well, that's good. You don't need much promotion here. Let me see. They should be right there. I didn't think I moved them that dadgum far. I be goddamn. Not in there. Not in there. Well, it really would help if I could find my screw bits. Did I put them in there? No. That's the last time I used them, when I took that apart. Y'all took them, didn't you? Didn't you? Y'all did? I know you did. I'm pretty sorry. I'll find them in a minute. I'll think of where they went, where I put them, something. I'm the cat dog. I'm gonna smack every one of you. Every dadgum one of you. It was right here in front of me. Just sitting there. It might have been on Go Bongo. And I don't care who sang it. If I want to sing it, I'm gonna sing it. And you know what? I'm not even going to warn you next time or this one. That's the wrong tip. Too big. Frown King is real loud. Yeah, I bet. Was not was. There you go. That sounds right, but so did Oingo Boingo, so it don't really matter, I don't reckon. Alright, that screw is too long. I need a shorter screw. That one's like a mile long right there. And I'm pretty sure that will go, that won't even work anyway. Son of a buck. The head will go right through there. Dadgummit. Oh well. See if I can get a, wonder if I might have a box that I can use to set this light up on. Let's see. Shall we? Let's use an Alien 3D box. Well, first off, let's move stuff over. Hold on just a minute. I'm getting there. Move that over. Move you out of the way. Get you up here. Come on. That's better. It's got better coverage, I think. I need to cut a hole right there so that the cord will go through. Got goddamn resin on it. It's gonna eat through my cord. It's already eating through the cabinet. That's ridiculous. It'll be eating through my cord. See if I cut a hole right there. That'd work. Another thing we need to do, put this over here where it goes. So I ain't got to look for it next time. Alright, turn that off. How's the printer that doesn't work? Oh, wait, the way you sing. I hear you. Oh, no, I wasn't taking offense. I was just saying if he's got 1 million subscribers, talking about him here ain't helping him. Well, there may be one. You can't ever tell. Alright, dies, they're going in the cabinet with the print supplies over here. If only there was something I could print. If I had some way to print something. Let's see how we did on my stringing test. Woo! TiVo little monster. You did not do well. This one's jammed over here. It's just printing in the air. It ain't even printing anything. Too much retraction. Pause. Oh, I can't get the freaking filament out. That's because it was broken too. Alright. So both of those failed. So we're going to have to tweak both of them. Which is fine. Fine. Let's cut off some filament here. I got to reload this one. We are loaded. I see filament squirting out back there. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. Yeah, we didn't even we got the first layer and that was it. I mean, yeah, that was crap from the get-go. Let's turn on the tabletop here. And let's see. TiVo Little Monster. Hypercube Evo. Neither one of them worked. So let's go over to the Kuntry Klub. Let's go to screen here. And yeah, I know you can see me on there. Let's go to Kuntry Klub. Or no, this is Kuntry Cube. Let's do it first. Let's go to the G code and what do? We did stringing test. Yeah, let's delete that. Yes. Alright, so let's open back up Slic3r. eBay, Christopher Zwicky. eBay. I can look. Let me see. I may be able to put a link in here. Come on. Move you over here so they can see it. Alright, so let's go to eBay. Let me see where I got them from. Now, I will tell you, I will not suggest that you buy from these people again. I waited a month and a half, and I finally told them to cancel my order, but they had already shipped it, and that's okay, but let me see. Why is this not in the last 60 days? Let's say 2018. Right there. Yeah, they don't even have it. Yeah, it said one item sold, and then they took it off the market. So here, let me show you. There's 13 bottles for $11, free shipping. 10 bottles for $6.17. Here, let me just. Here's what I searched for. Go to eBay and search for that. I just 10 bottle, 10G, whatever. I mean, it only takes a couple drops. All right. So let's go in here. We already have that. Ow, ow, ow. Let's load the. Let's go to the print settings. Where's the retraction? Infill. That's all good. I think it's on the filament, isn't it? The retraction and all. Is it cooling? No. Printer settings. There we go. Nope. Relative E. I saved that. I could have swore I put on relative E distances. And why did it take it off? Save. Okay. That could have been 99% of the problem without the relative E distance. You probably did, Christopher, but they're more expensive off of Amazon. All right, filament settings. You know what? I think I'm just going to try that because the printer settings were jacked up. Because that extruder should have been good. Yeah, because I went from 3.8 to 4. 0.2 shouldn't have been that. All right, Sean, have a good one, buddy. Lift 3mm. That should be fine. All right, so let's go to platter. Let's add. Let's do a test again. Add that. We are going to slice now. It is sliced. Send to printer. Yep, and we can do that. We're going to start printing after download. We're going to hit OK. And on here, we're going to, I don't know why this thing's got a brim on it. It didn't put no damn brim on it. It's ridiculous. But let's, the rest of it looks, well, the first layer is a little jacked up, but I mean, the top layer is friggin' smooth. The poles themselves are smooth. If you look, hold on, can't go to tabletop right now. All right, so it's gone. That's heating, so we're gonna let that go. Let's go to here. I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, the spindles on the model are perfect. There's nothing wrong with any of that. So I'm gonna try retraction first only. All right, so let's take this and change it to the Kuntry Klub. We're going to change this to Kuntry Klub Standard. And we're going to change this to no, not Kuntry Cube Default. We're going to change this to, which one did I do? Kuntry Klub. We'll check and see. Let's go to arrange it first. Let's put it in the middle. Print settings. Skirt and brim. Alright. Loops. Oh, that's why. We only need one. Distance from object. We'll put that at 6. Skirt height 1. Minimum filament extrusion length. That's fine. Brim width 0. Don't want a brim. Save. Okay. Alright, so that thing's printing. What the hell is it doing? It come up to the front. Check this out. It came to the front. It tried to extrude the line. And for some reason, it wasn't hot yet. That's ridiculous. It was the filament, the hot end was only like 179. All right, so let's go back over to here. And let's add another one and go to Kuntry Klub. That's weird. It tried to print my line before, but it didn't print the other. So let's go to G code. There's a lot on this one. What was the name of that? Stringing test. That's it. Right down here. Let's take this and delete that. Yes. Minimize. So let's go back to the platter. I did save it all right. Printer, print. Yeah, it's all saved. Okay, good. Let's go to platter. Slice now. And then we're going to send it to printer. Start printing after the upload. Slic3r, hit OK. Oh, that's much better. Much, much better. Oh, that bottom layer looked freaking smooth as crap right there now. That relative extrusion distance, I think, did that one good. All right, so this one is heating up. Sweet. I don't know why that did that. It worked last time. That's kind of funny. All right, let's go back over here. Oh, not you. Here. All right, tabletop off. Here, I'll show you what I was talking about though. The pillars look fantastic on these. They're perfectly straight. They're not nothing wrong with them, but the stringing was massive. What did I do for the string? Did I do anything for the stringing on this? No, all I did was took off the dadgum brim. Pause. Oh, this one's doing the same thing. It doesn't wait until it's all heated up. That's part of that start G code. Because it can't extrude. So now it just gets to sit there and wait. We're going to pause this. Tell you what, I'm going to do this. Alright, just turn it off. Alright, Hawk, man. Easy, buddy. Need coffee? Be right back. I hear you. Alright, so let's go over here. No, not there. I don't need you. Don't need you. I need this. We're on the Kuntry Klub. Let's go back down here to here and delete that. Alright, so that's gone. Now let me try this again and go to print settings, infill, all that's good. Speed, I'm at 100 milli, yep, that's okay. Filament settings, no, it's printer settings right here. Alright, so I've got a retract length of 4.6, make it 4.8. Now let's make it 5.1. That's pretty drastic right there. That's pretty bad. Wipe while retracting. Retract amount before wipe. I'm going to put that back at 0. I'm going to save that. We're going to save this Kuntry Klub again. Now we're going to go to the platter. And we're going to slice it. It's sliced, and now I'm going to send it to printer. Again, I don't need the tabletop on. Ah, dang it, wrong button. There. Alright, start printing when it's done. Wait, first let's see if I can fix that. Because if I can fix it here, printer settings, let's go to custom G code. Isn't there a way you can tell it? What's the G code? Anybody know the G code to tell it to wait? Isn't it like G60 or something like that? Tell it to wait till it's heated before it does anything? Because I've got a purge before print G, which is fine. Anybody? System editor. That it? M109 makes it wait. M109, what? I don't need to show the temp. Let me open this up. All right, but I want it to wait. I need it to wait on target temperatures. Okay, so this has got to be set in the print settings then, because it needs to be written at the time. It can't be in your start G code. It has to be in the printer settings under general. Where in the hell is that at? Extruder 1. While retracting, all that's great. I don't care about any of that. That's good. Do that's fine. G code. There's got to be a place to set this. Where do I set it to tell it to wait? Because it has to wait. All right, so there's the filament. Blah blah blah. I wonder what it is. Let's go over here to the platter and let's change this to the MMU to single. Okay, so it's all supported. Yeah, I understand that. Add the command to the start G code. It will wait or reflash it in Marlin. It's not Marlin, it's RepRap, but Okay. Let me go see what it's got in the Slic3r for the MMU. Print settings. Printer settings in G code. There we go. Okay. So that works as well here. So I can copy those and go file. No. Go to platter. Let's change back to my Kuntry Klub. And I want to go to printer settings. Start. Put it right here. V. And I want to save that. I want to do the same in my Hypercube. So let's go over here to Kuntry Klub, go to printer settings, and exactly the same pretty much place right there. I'm going to hit that and hit save. Okay. Now let's go back to the Kuntry Klub, and let me make sure that I have this. I can show that. Yeah, let me go through and make sure that I have this deleted again. G code files. I don't see it, so it's not there. All right, cool. Let's go back over here, slice it now. Now we send a printer again. And I want to start printing. I want to call this underscore again, hit OK. Well, I had to see what the default was, how to set it for the first layer temperature and the first layer bed temperature, because those are what you need to wait on. Okay. Well, without knowing those, you don't know. But apparently, Simplify 3D puts that in there for you because it was not in my start code, because that's what I copied. All right, so now we're waiting on the bed temperature. Dude, that is going to look so friggin' awesome, what I'm printing over there. Friggin', oh, that is going to be sweet. I don't know how much more time it says I got remaining. 1 hour and 32 minutes. So guess what? Y'all will get to see it on Fun in the Country Basement tomorrow. I will show it off tomorrow. I want to get a little bit more done first. I also had to order some parts last night. So, do I live in the country? You don't say, Diamond Potato. My address is down below. You can go look Google Earth. You can see the whole damn area out here. Yeah, we live in the country. But anyway, I had to order some parts yesterday. Freaking $50 worth of motors. Because the Bear takes integrated lead screws, and I don't have any. So I needed to do that, and I also need to get, and I haven't gotten yet, some UU8 bearings. But I've still got to print the squashed frog, because I'm going to use a plastic one because I don't have one. What's up, Carl? How are you? You awake yet? I don't have one, so I'm going to print one. This bed is big enough to print one on. So once I'm done with what I need to do on the Prusa, the actual print mount, the Y gantry, Y carriage for the Mark III will be printed on the Hypercube, on the printed Hypercube. So let's see here. It waited until heat up, and it did its thing. Gonna have to play with the wipe set. What is this? Okay, there we go. This thing is screaming even on the first layer. I think I need to go into the print settings and turn the first layer speed down, because I think it's doing just the standard 100 millimeters a second on the first layer, which is ridiculous. No, I looked here. Let me look now while we're here. And I can respond to it while you're on here, and I can tell you. All right. Let me close those. Gmail. But anyway, welcome Diamond Potato to the Country Club. That's a new one, guys. Y'all welcome Diamond Potato into the Country Club, because I haven't ever seen him here before, and we really need to make sure we welcome everybody. Diamond Potato, just subscribe. He became a country zombie. You definitely need to welcome him to the Country Club now. All right, I'm responding right now. Bryce. Sent. Email sent. Sending, sent, done. Excellent. Y'all are sucking. There you go. Christopher Zewicki's got it. Or wait, y'all are 10 or 15 seconds behind. My bad. I'm calling y'all out. Y'all ain't even done nothing wrong. Damn it. I always do that. How's the new prints going? They're going fantastic, Scalda. Yeah. I got that. That's what I had to look for. What's up, Sweet Bee? Thank you, Bryce. Appreciate it. Thank you, Rodney Lorimore. Appreciate that. Y'all are not very welcoming this morning, but it is early. What's up, Vince? How are you, buddy? Didn't know you were lurking. You might have been there at the beginning.
Let's all have some coffee brimming face with big eyes thumbs up for country.
Yes, Walter got a haircut. Walter was getting shaggy. And you know what? Working as usual. I know you are, Vince. Man, I hope you're not busy. That's the only thing. You know what's really funny, Sweet Bee? It's cheap haircut, too. Them wall clippers, just and be done with it. I look like a new recruit going into basic training. Yeah, see? I just take it to the hilt. Then I'll let it grow out. It should be, you know, a little more peach fuzz by the time we get to Murph, about a month from now, which is okay too. Not a problem. Yeah, I've been using one for years. Really, Carl? I don't mind them, man. I normally, thank you, James. I appreciate that. Rocky.
Getting shaggy? Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? You got some work to do now. I can't wait till that comes off the printer. Oh, wow, check it out. This is a multi-material print over here. That's friggin' cool, man. That was one of the biggest things that I wanted them to do. Once it stops changing, this is only 2 colors, okay? And the first color only goes probably about 1.5 millimeters into the print. As soon as it's done with color changes, it quits doing the purge block. How freaking cool is that? Because that is one of the biggest things that I've seen is like if you have text on the face of something and you print it face down, it would still do the purge block with just one color over and over and over again. Now they scan it to see if there's a color change. Boom. That's a friggin' winner right there, baby. I'm telling you, that is a winner. Got your first roll of marble. All these years, all these 25, 40 years that you've been 3D printing, and you just now getting a roll of marble filament. Didn't show y'all my benchy. I did a Chris Riley and printed a 250% benchy on the TiVo yesterday. That one turned out much, much better. Let's take a look, shall we? Let me get this off of the printer over here. And we're going to do it again. We are. We're going to erase this one and do it again because although it printed very well, we still have quite a bit of stringing. Oh, hell no, Joe. Really? Grandpa Joe, man, I appreciate that. Grandpa Joe became a Patreon supporter just now. Man, you're freaking... You rock, man. You rock. Let's go to tabletop right here. So I've still got quite a bit of stringing, so I can do that a little bit. You can do me a little bit right there. A little bit more. So let's go back over to Slic3r again. We're trying to get these profiles down just right. I want to change the printer to the Kuntry Cube. Change the PLA to Kuntry Cube. Change the print settings to Kuntry Cube default. We're going to arrange. Wait, first I got to go over here and delete it before I forget. Kuntry Cube. There we go. Let's go in here. Where'd my stringing go? You have to refresh. G code. Oh, there it is. Okay. Suit log. What's up, buddy? Alan King. But Grandpa Joe, man, that is freaking awesome, man. Dude, I appreciate that. You have no idea. No idea whatsoever. Alright, so M73 command is not supported. I have no idea what you're talking about, but okay. What's up, Ricky Tanner? Been missing you, buddy. Hey, I went and liked your page, man. I like that. I like that. Wish I had one of them CDs. You like Chris Riley. Chris Riley gives CDs to everybody but me. Alright. Alright, so I did that. Alright, it's gone. Let me go in here and let's see if we can do something with the stringing. Custom G. Nope, that's not it. That's not the right one. Filament. Yes. Nope, that's loading speed. That is not retract. Prints. Print settings. Is that where it's at? 100 millimeters a second. Infill. Nope, that's all good. It's got to be in the print settings, right? General? No. Extruder 1. That's where it's at. Let's make this 5. It's 4 now, so let's make it 4.5. 4.5. Z-lift is 3. That's fine. Retraction speed 40. That should be good. All right, let's save it. We're gonna retract just a little bit more. But these printed much better, much better on my and they're strong, so that helps. That's much better. What's up, Jesse Foreman? Welcome, buddy. I'm out of CDs. I hear you, brother. I hear you. All right, so that's good. So now let's go to platter. Let's go to slice now. And send a printer. Do I want to start printing? Yes, I do. Let's call this the same thing. Underscore Slic3r. Dude, I'm telling you, if I can get these set up like this, that's freaking awesome. Shut up, James. No, I haven't. I haven't, Carl, but I've got so much left to print. I'm going to have to wait until I get done printing the other stuff. I've got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff to print. Alright, so this is not there yet. Why is this not? This time it didn't print. Wait, it's homing. Okay. Home first. Now it's heating. It's heating up now. That lifted off of one corner. But I ain't worried about the lifting. That has nothing to do with the way it's printing. So I will clean the bed after this. I hadn't cleaned it in a bit. Alright, it is 9:30. We got, well, 9:26. We got 30 more minutes of fun. I do want to let y'all know tomorrow, 4 to 6, Fun in the Country Basement, Chris Riley, Fun King 3D, and myself will be right here. I don't know if it's on my channel. I don't know who's got it tomorrow. I think it's Chris, actually. I think Chris has it tomorrow. Mr. Riley, who has been busy as of late. So hopefully Chris Riley will have it tomorrow. We will see. And tomorrow you get to see things off the MMU. Dude, that is looking so good. So good. Well, sweet Grandpa Joe, man, you don't have any idea how freaking awesome that is, man. To me, that is amazing. All right, we're heating up the nozzle, so it waited this time. Sweet. Thank y'all for the 109 and 190 stuff. 190 is for the bed, 109 is for the hot end. Oh, it is. I don't know how these things move. Subscribe was all apart the other day. Thank you, Ricky. Appreciate that. It was bothering the hell out of you, wasn't it? You're sitting there going, that mother, I can't even stand. Why fix that crap? I know it. That's right. The Chris Riley will be here tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully. I hadn't heard anything from him, but I'm hoping so. He was, too. Printing. Suit Log 3D, you're printing something. I know you did, Ricky. I know you did. All right, did my line. Man, I love it when first layers go down freaking solid and just, man, rock out. How we doing on? Much better on stringing over here. And, you know, knitting, hey, you know what? That's a good maker skill to have, dude. I'm no joke. I mean, if you can knit or sew, you can make your own clothes. A lot of people don't realize that. They're like, man, I don't want to know how to knit, man, whatever. My mom tried to teach me how to knit. I didn't learn. I'm kind of slow in that department. Come on. I don't know, man. Next week, we'll talk about it. I'm pretty sure you can. That's my week. So I don't see why not. What is next week? Today's Saturday. The 23rd. I have something. There's something on the... Oh, you know what? I'll be going to Gainesville on the 23rd. So y'all may be taking a ride with me on the 23rd. Next Saturday. Yeah, y'all might be. We're supposed to go to Gainesville Makers Fair. Supposed to. I'm not setting up. I'm not taking anything. Supposed to go. Fun King 3D has to have a sticker for me because I've been to Gainesville Makers Fair, Murph, and Earth with that man. Been to his house, and I have yet to get a Fun King 3D sticker to go on my wall. I do have a print and play. You're on there. Hawk 3D Proto's on there. How I Do It. Chris's Basement. Icy 3D. Earth. Repcord. Martin. 3DP Iceland. I don't know who that is. Be Yourself. Be Super. That was in one of the alien boxes. I don't know whose that is. 3D Solutech. I don't know who that is either. Get Your Glen On. Then there's a little cat face with the two Capricorn. Never let the machine win. Mike's on there. But I think that with these couple of profiles right here, you're so nervous about tomorrow. Why? Oh, y'all got a printed solid thing, right? That you're taking stuff over. I know, right, Carl? I know. I ain't got a sticker one. And I just checked my friggin' sticker order and it says still processing. For the Murph stickers. Yeah, that's friggin' rocking too right there. Not near as much, but there is still some. White Knight Mini. I know, right? I'm gonna see how sticky this still is over here. It's like it changes the nanometer of the resin or something, because it's not near as hard as the other resin prints that I've done. It still feels gooey. Yeah, Ricky. I know, I've lost several, my friend. I know. But you know, you never know what people are going through. Sweet. That's pretty cool, Jesse Foreman. That will definitely work. There's nothing wrong with the $35 box, that's for sure. Alright, so let's go over here. We're going to do another one of these. Kuntry Klub. Oh, come on. I need to change. There we go. Kuntry Klub Standard PLA and Kuntry Klub right there. Alright, now we need to arrange this. Now I need to go to the print settings. That ain't it. Layers and perimeters, those are good. Solid layers, top and bottom. 4. Yes. And 4. Why is this wrong? Come on, I do not want spiral vase mode. I want 3 perimeters. 4. That's why that thing ain't friggin' working. My Kuntry Klub is all jacked up here. First layer height, all that's good. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. No. Nearest. There you go. Infill. Good. Oh, 20%. Rectilinear. That's fine. Skirt and brim. Loops. I want 1 loop. 6 millimeters from object. 1 height. That's fine. Speed. 100 millimeters a second. That's all good. Nope. Multiple extruders. None of that. So we're going to save that as the Kuntry Klub. Filament settings. Nope, that's all good. Cooling, filament, we're good there. Print settings. That's where we need to be. And we're at 5.1, so we're going to make that 5.5. Go up 0.4. Doing 40 millimeters. Yeah, that should be good. All of that should be fine. Save it. Kuntry Klub. Go to the platter. You know what? That's why. Because that's the one I was using, not the other one. Print settings. There we go. Infill 20. Fill density. That's what we need. 20%. skirt and brim. Sorry, I went back over here. 161, that's fine. Support material, no. Speed should be 100, it is. But layers and perimeters should be 3 perimeters, 4 and 4. Alright, so we're good there. Alright, so let's save that as well to Kuntry Klub. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to delete this one. Yes. And then I want Kuntry Klub. I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to save. I'm going to take that. Sorry guys, I'll be right back with you. It okay? Martin's doing a bear upgrade live right now. Is he? Oh, I got 24 more minutes. When I'm done, then I might check him out. Not a problem. I have no problem with Martin doing it for sure. Alright, so my filament settings, KF standard, printer settings, Kuntry Klub, platter. It's still printing back here, so I'm going to wait. That's pretty cool that Martin's doing a live bear upgrade. I like Martin doing his stuff, man. Martin needs to do his thing. I have no problem with that whatsoever. Let's see. With my internet, I should be able to. Let me turn the volume off. Yeah, see? There we go. Anyway, Martin is hard to understand sometimes, but Martin is a good guy, man. I've met Martin in person, and Martin's a fantastic person. He really is. He is a fantastic person. All right, so let's see how we did. Other than the curl up, because that sucked, which that's one of the problems I was having yesterday, was curl up. We did do better. All right, so let's go to tabletop. There's the first one. There's the second one. So it is slightly better. Not even a lot. It is slightly better. Now, does anybody know if it's just retraction that I need to work on, or is it coast and white? Any of that stuff? Anybody? I know that's right, Ricky. You are correct there, buddy. Let's go to screen over here. So, is there anything else on here other than retraction? Because right now I'm retracting at 5.5. I hate to do any more than that. I can speed it up some. Let's change the speed to 55. What is it? What is it in what did I have in simplify? Because my simplify stringing was pretty good. It could use a little more, but let's go to here, edit. I was using 77. I'm going to use 60 here. I'm going to save that. Let me see if I was doing any of the other stuff here. Wipe distance is 2. Coasting distance, retraction vertical lift 0.3. Extra restart distance. See this retract amount before wipe. I don't know anything about that. I turn off wipe while retracting. that should be good. I don't have to have a minimum travel. Let's do this. Come on, check. Let's do 10% right there. Alright, so save that. Let's try this one. It can't hurt anything, right? Okay. Flatter. Cancel. And slice now. What's up, David Olson? How are you? Alright, so right here, slice now, hit slice, send to printer. Let's call it something different. Image test _1 _ Slic3r. And I didn't click the go. Yeah, I did. Wait. Okay, so it homed. Alright, it homed and now it's heating up. Alright, so let's go back over to here. Martin is taking apart his MK3, which I am not going to do. I'm sorry, I'm just not. I'm doing the MK 2.5 upgrade. So, we will see what we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. I do have to wait on the motors. I have to wait on... I think that's it. I think that's all I've got. I think that's all I have to wait on. Why are you orange? Because I stopped looking at you? No? No, I hear you. I hear you. I think I have my settings about right. I could actually bump it up. Now I think I can actually output 1080p. I think I have it set up right. What's up, Robbie Mac? I got a bone to pick with you. You texting my wife all kind of like late in the night. What's wrong with you? But she kept your secret, whatever it was. She told me who it was, but that was it. Because I was laying right there and the phone's going ding, ding, ding. Wait, who the hell is that this time of night? I still didn't do the first layer speed. Thing really is doing good though. I just need to work on that first layer speed. He is not jazzercising and printing. I'm watching it right now. It's on my screen, Steven. No, she didn't. No, she did not. She didn't show me. She didn't tell me. She didn't do anything. She just said it was you. So, just letting you know. When I get done here, I have to make a run to the post office because I've got things I've got to send off and I should listen. I cannot listen right now. I can't listen while I'm on stream, dude. That just doesn't work. Alright. So, cool beans. I do have a lot to do after I leave here. I want to see... Where is the... Is there a way in Slic3r to set the first layer speed? Layers and perimeters. Perimeters. Nothing here. speed. Bridges, gap fill, travel, modify, first layer speed right there. Oh, 50 millimeters per second or percentage. So it does a 50 millimeters per second first layer. All right, so I'm going to save that to 35. And my max print speed on here is 200 is fine. That is absolutely fine. All right, so that one's done. It is friggin' going to town over here. This one, much better, much better. I think on the stringing. Maybe, we shall see. Acceleration down to 800. Acceleration, where the hell is that at? I don't see that. I don't see that in Slic3r. What's up, John Mac? Just saw you. I ain't even see you come in, man. Sorry I missed you. But I've got my travels at 650, so I don't have an 800 on here anywhere. Nowhere. Unless it's under advanced. Top solid infill. No. No. Yeah, I'm under advanced. There's no, I don't see, under print settings, there's no acceleration. Advanced, on print settings. I'm on advanced. Default extrusion, first layer, perimeters, external perimeters, infill, solid infill, top solid infill, support material, infill / perimeter overlap, bridge flow ratio, clip multi-part object, elephant foot compensation, XY size compensation, and resolution. Maybe it's under printer. Let's go find out. Under general. Relative E, max print height, nope. Custom G code, extruder 1. Retraction, retract amount, nope. Printer advanced. I don't have advanced under printer. But I'm also, now listen, Steve, I'm using RepRap for the duet. I'm not using Marlin, so this may have different settings. Could have. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure it would have. That didn't reduce the stringing a lot, but it did some. I don't know, they're pretty close to the same thing. So maybe a little more. A little more on the... This is the new one. This is the old one. Hardly any difference whatsoever. Did I figure out why it was jamming? Yeah, I put a new nozzle in it and said to hell with it. All right, so let's go. I didn't do anything there, so I'm gonna go to platter. I'm gonna change these all to the Kuntry cubes. And here I'm gonna change it to the Kuntry cube. We're gonna arrange it. Arrange. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go with 5.1 and we're going to do 60 again. Come on. Where'd you go? There you are. Do 60 on there as well. Now I'm going to save it. There. Go to the platter. I'm going to slice now. What's up, Ben Craig? How you been, buddy? Ain't seen you in a while. Ah, that would be cool, John Mac. Yeah, Stephen, though, but with RepRap, it's on there. Printer settings. Oh, on print settings. And I go to speed. I do not have acceleration. I have travel. There is no acceleration here. All that must be handled by the RepRap firmware. Alright. So slice now. Send a printer. We're going to call it something a little different. _1 _ Okay. What's up there, Thomas M. Ross? How are you, buddy? Welcome. Appreciate you being here. I really do. I really thank y'all for being here. Y'all have no idea. No idea how much I appreciate y'all being here. Because if not, it would suck to be here on Saturday morning with nobody. Done it before, though. Probably not, Scalda. Where do you go to do that at? View. Nope. Configuration. Preferences. That may be why. Use legacy. Remember output. Auto center part. Blah, blah, blah. Cancel. Nope, that's not it. Help. Nope. View. Nope. Window. Nope. Not alone. Where do I see that at? Where do you see advanced settings? Scalda, where do you put that in there at? I don't know where to go to do that. Prusa drivers, blah, blah, blah. System info. You're using Alpha 5. Well, it may not even be here. Prusa edition releases. Let's go upgrade it then. We can do that, right? 1413 is the latest release. Where's the betas at? No, there's Alpha 5 right there. That's what you're using? They've got a release as 1413, but you're using Alpha 5? How the hell with it? We'll just download that. Win64 full. Turn off the tabletop. I'm downloading it now, so we're going to install it. No, that's fine. He was saying, have you put the whole thing so you see more settings? To expert mode. I've got the advanced. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Not a problem. Alright, see, here's a problem. So for some reason in my... Oh no, never mind, it's heating up. I was thinking it was over. Thought I was waiting. Alright, so that's done. Let's go unzip it. Show in folder. Unzip. And let's install it. Let me close this one. Oh, wait. This is the full. This is not an install. Damn it. I ain't doing that. There's no install for it. You just run it there. I don't want to do that. So let's go back. Let's get the release version. The newest release version is 1413. Configuration mode expert. Wonder if it's here. Yeah, I'm not going to just paste stuff over. What's up, Edge of Tech? How are you? I don't know why this always comes up on the main monitor. Yeah, this is a 0.3 release right here. Configuration. There's no mode. Nope. Alright, so let's close that. Let's download the... I'll just go to Prusa downloads. See something here. All right, Ben. I am fantastic. What's up, Michael Fox? I did get a haircut. I damn sure did. You betcha. You got to do it with the apps, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Let me go down here to multi-material, download for Windows. We're going to keep that. It'll just install all of it for me. I did get a haircut. Actually, I didn't get a haircut. I gave myself a haircut. That still really didn't help out on the damn... Oh, no. No. That's fine. There's no install for that, so I don't want to do alpha software right now. Scalda, I have no problem, buddy. Thank you for showing me and telling me about it. Hopefully they put it in 1.4.1.3, but it may be something that's only in like the alpha or beta versions of their software. I've really got to get this stringing taken care of though on here. Where did his hair go? Into the trash can. Dude, I wear a hat every day. Every day. I hear you, Michael Fox. It's really not here, though. It could be, Scalda. I mean, that absolutely could be. I don't know. Good Lord, would y'all look at the time. It is time for me to get off of here. I'm probably going to continue to do this, but I've got to go get the stuff mailed out and delivered to places where it needs to go all over the world, and we're going to do that this afternoon. So, anyway. Absolutely. To be a shadow? Absolutely. Man, I've got like 200 when you walk in my house. It's just a freaking rack of hats. Anyway, actually, I think at last count up on the rack, there's only 33. But I have a corner where I keep hats. There's well over 200. Anyway, tomorrow, Fun in the Country Basement, 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Go to funcountrybasement.com. The link will be updated. That will take you directly to where it's at. Other than that, everybody, have a great day. Treat each other as you want to be treated in the world to be a better place. You know that. Keep working on your printers. Keep working on your stuff. We love you, Country Club, and we will see you tomorrow. Y'all have a great day.